The best advice I could give for ACCA students is not to be put off by the time it might take you to get the qualification. The time is going to pass anyway, regardless of whether you decide to study or not. So sign up, get started, and in 2 or 3 years, you'll be qualified.
To the students, I say, obviously, this is a long journey. It's 3 years. At times, you feel like you have to sacrifice plans. You have to stay weekends at home, especially if you work full-time. Can tell all the students to continue because the end is there and it's very, very rewarding. One day, you will look back and you will never regret about the effort that you are putting in today.
My one piece of advice for any ACCA student is to connect and to reach out to other like-minded individuals and professionals within your industry, within your community. Connect, reach out, support each other, guide each other, and have fun.
My advice towards ACCA students would be to enjoy the journey, embrace the journey, have fun with it, and if you do pass, congratulations to you.
To prepare yourself is one of the hardest things you'll probably do, especially when you're working full-time, but you're also a student full-time. It's like managing 2 things at once. So be prepared for a few short-term sacrifices, but once you get through it, it's a really great achievement.
Have an eye on the bigger picture. Have an eye on changes in innovation. Think where you want to be after your qualification. Think what industries you want to go in. Think beyond exams and think about building yourself into a career that will take you to different places, and ACCA is that passport.